In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plot graphs on Falstad. We'll start from a blank workspace and finish with a clean XY plot so you can compare two signals visually and understand their relationship. Open your browser and head to falstad.com. On the home page, select Circuit Simulator. It loads right in your browser, no install needed. For a roomier workspace, choose the full screen version. This gives you more canvas area and makes the scope windows easier to arrange. Before building anything, go to the File menu and choose New Blank Circuit. This clears any default example and ensures you're starting fresh. On the blank canvas, click and drag to draw your first connection line. In Falstad, the canvas itself is your schematic sheet, and drawing wires establishes the nodes your parts will connect to. Now add your source. From the Add menu, choose AC voltage source with one terminal. Place it on the canvas, then click and draw to extend wires so the source sits where you want it in the circuit. Next, add a resistor the same way. Select Add Resistor, click to place it, and draw wires so it connects in series with the source. You can leave the default values for now. The goal is simply to have a basic AC source driving a resistor so there are two meaningful nodes to measure. Add a ground symbol to set the reference for your circuit. Choose Add Ground, place it on the canvas, and connect it to the return side so the loop is complete. Once the circuit is connected, the simulator runs automatically and you'll see activity indicated along the wires. To visualize voltages, right-click on any wire and choose View in New Scope. A small scope window appears showing that node's waveform over time. Then right-click on another wire, typically the other side of the element you want to compare, and select View in New Scope again to open a second scope. Now you have two signals available for plotting. Open the scope's settings by clicking its Settings button. In the dialog, select Plot X/Y. This switches the view from a time-based waveform to an X versus Y display, where one signal is plotted on the horizontal axis and the other on the vertical axis. Click OK to apply. You should now see an XY plot that reflects the relationship between your two measured nodes. For a pure resistor driven by a sine source, you'll typically see a straight line, indicating the signals are in phase. If you change component types in future experiments, the shape can curve or loop, revealing phase shifts and nonlinear behavior. That's it, your XY graph is live, and you can drag scope windows, zoom, or reposition parts as you explore.